Introduction of past multiple district president Leo Lion Kesari Seneviratne PMJF. Leo Kesari S. Seneviratne PMJF joined the Leo movement in year 2007-2008 as a member of Leo Club of Kalubovila. Leo Kesari was encouraged to join the movement by following the steps of her elder sister Leo Mariana Seneviratne, who is a charter member of the Leo Club of Kalubovila. She is influenced by the great inspirations and blessings of her father, past district governor Lion W.D. LSD Kamal Seneviratne PMJF, and her mother, Lady Lion Dalrusha Seneviratne, to her Leoistic career. She is the leader who led the Leos of Leo District 30682 in the centennial year of 2016-2017 towards excellence through synergy. In her presidency, 100% membership growth was gained together with 7 new Leo clubs and then receiving international club extension growth recognition while accomplishing all the district events gloriously together with her team. It was the year 2007. From there onwards, she has held many positions in her club, district as well as in multiple levels. Club Secretary, Director, Club Vice President and lead her Leo Club in the year 2010-2011. Her district level capacities grow as District Editor, Zone Director, Region Director and Assistant Secretary to Leo Multiple District 306 in 2014-2015. Her capabilities were witnessed by the district presidents then, and for her successful event organizing skills, she was the leader behind many success stories of district and multiple. Some of them are being the Conference Committee Secretary, Leo Walk Coordinator, Leo Olympics Coordinator, and the Conference Chairperson of A2 in 2014-15. Her donations as a Melvin Jones Fellow recognition and Progressive Melvin Jones Fellow recognition from the International were made to One Shot One Life program under LCIF to save 1,000 lives from measles. This empowered female personality was bestowed with the Most Outstanding Club Secretary Award, the Most Outstanding Vice Presidency Award, and the Most Outstanding Club President Award in 3 consecutive years from 2009 to 2012 are some of them. She came to be the Most Outstanding Club President, first runner-up in the multiple by leading the club towards 30 awards in district and multiple level while conducting more than 125 club projects and events. Honoring with the title of Leo of the World in the Leoistic year 2015-2016 was the apex of all those achievements. Climbing the leadership ladder, Leo Kesari Seneviratne was enthroned to the position of multiple district president during the fiscal year 2018-2019, where she was able to initiate many innovative drives such as Trailblazer Leadership Forum, Leo Leadership Graduation, Leo Leadership Service Hour Award, and under her leadership, the first ever Home for Leos, the Leo Youth Center was established in 2019 June. Setting an example to every Leo in the world to thrive for their passion, Leo Lion Kesari Seneviratne PMJF will now address the gathering.